How to fix high pinch spikes in your Windows 11. High pinch spikes can cause lag, rubber banding, and disconnects while gaming or browsing. So if we do not fix them, we will be having some unplayable error. So let's fix this on our Windows 11. So first of all, what we can do is we can restart our router or PC. You can look out for the restart option on your PC, the restart option, and restart it. Even restart your router and try connecting with the Wi-Fi again. This should clear out the temporary network issues that may be happening. Or if you're using wireless connection, for example, if you're connected to Wi-Fi, what you can do is you can just go over and connect through a wired Ethernet connection instead, which is more prone to interference and spike. So you can use or switch to Ethernet. And apart from that, we can disable background applications. For that, we can press Control Shift and ESC at the same time, and that should pop up the Task Manager on our screen. And within Task Manager, we can end applications, those especially which are using a higher network users. So find it up, right click on it and select the option for end task and end the application using higher network users. You may follow the same process for everything. Also update your network drivers. So for that, you can press Windows plus X and head over to Device Manager and hit enter. And once you do so, you can go ahead and expand your network adapters. So find network adapters here, and once you find it up, expand it up and right click on your adapter, right click on it, select the option for update driver. And once you do so, you can search automatically for the drivers and complete the process. If not, this what we can do is we can disable power saving for the Wi-Fi. So for that, we can head over to our Device Manager. So go over to Device Manager, hit enter and find your network adapter again. And once you find your network adapter, you may right click on it, go to their properties, and within properties, go to power management. And within power management, select this option of allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. So you can just go over and uncheck this option like this and click on OK and click on apply it up and restart your computer once you do so. And also you may reset your network settings sometimes. Go to Windows plus I and look out for your network and internet, and within there look out for advanced network settings, open it up, and there you can select the option for network reset, and just go over and reset your network by following up these methods. And that's it. Usually these are some of the steps that should fix the high pinch spikes on your Windows. So we hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.